Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to log in WhatsApp account without OTP. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your WhatsApp apps. Tap on WhatsApp. You can see that right here three dot icon. Tap on this. After that, tap on setting. You can see here your account. Next, tap on account. You can see that three number option, email address. Tap on email address. Next, tap on add email. Select your email and continue. Tap on next icon. Tap on your select email. Tap on continue. Waiting for OTP code. Enter your OTP. Tap on verified. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I hope your problem solved successfully.